probably avoid selling jump ropes because that's my first product I started with, and I'm not selling them anymore because that market just crashed and collapsed.
Clothing and shoes because the inventory cost is massive because of the different sizes you have to have.
Stay away from Apple products. They are relentless at making baseless IP complaints. There's not a ton of money to make in them anyway because there's so much competition out there and it just draws problems, so stay away from Apple. And number two, stay away from products that you do not have in inventory. We're seeing a whole ton of suspensions for people who are jumping on listings. They don't actually have the inventory. Amazon then asks for your invoice that you don't have any because you don't have the inventory. So stop selling products that you don't actually have.
Hey, did you know that you can spy on your competitors and see all of their best keywords that pull in traffic and drive sales? Did you also know that you can see the keywords your competitors are bidding for on sponsored product ads? Wouldn't you love to find out which of their keywords have Amazon's Choice badge? Well, you can do all of this with Helium 10's Cerebro tool. It's the most powerful reverse ASIN lookup tool on the planet. No other tool in the market can do everything that Cerebro does. So head over to helium10.com/Cerebro and try Cerebro for free. That's helium10.com/CEREBRO.